We're going to look at this one, and we're going to call it the FRTS. It's got an F right there. So we're going to look at it for you. Anyway, it's the 2024 Georgetown 36F5. There's your show price, $168,995. There's some of your weights. Okay. Let's go in and take a look. We have an outdoor TV. And he's running inside. Oh, he's putting it right there. A GL Perez.
Sold.
Sold. All right, so the front looks just like the other one we were in, guys. Built on a Ford chassis. Lisa found somebody maybe to help us. So you have your bed up there. It's a queen. So it goes down on the track. Over here, again, you have the same theater chairs like the other one. Cabinetry above. Okay. Over here, you've got your TV, which is up there. There's storage behind it. You've got solid surface countertops. You got a nice little flip up over here. Your sound bar is there. You have your 3-burner cooktop right there. GE refrigerator. You've got your dinette right there that converts into a bed as well.
Well, 813 number. Okay. Yeah, and if I don't answer, you call because how it is.
Okay. You've got your side-by-side GE residential refrigerator.
Thanks for your time. Yeah, thank you guys for spending time.
Nice area for storing your food stuff. Same thing down here. I'm sure it looks just like the other one. So the finishes are a little different type of cabinetry, right? And then this is a bunkhouse though. So look at that, on that side there, there's 2 bunks. If you don't want to use it as bunks, you can use it to hang clothes. Nice, nice. I do believe you can put TVs in there. Did they have them, Lisa? No. No, they weren't here, okay. So more of a compact bathroom, but as you can see from the toilet placement it's tall and fluffy approved for sure. Under counter mount sink, some place for your linens. There's not a medicine cabinet in here. And a shower, that's gonna be just fine for me, but I'm gonna be stuck in the bubble. You see that it's a bit of a step up. So I would be in that bubble, but I would be okay at my height of 6'4", okay? And then over here, you've got a RV King. Ooh, there's another bathroom back there, Lisa.
Is there? Ooh.
This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, or bunks in 2-bath. So RV King, let's see, this does not go up because it's on an articulated slide, just like the other one, so that when the main slide comes in, the bed would articulate up. That way there you can have more. If that was up right now, you'd have more walk room through here, which is nice, okay? Your CPAPs would go here. As you can see, power and USB, okay? And then right across from here, you've got your wardrobe area, so large hanging space, couple of giant drawers down there at the bottom.
Yeah, those are huge.
And again, if you didn't hear us, Nate, they are not here, so we apologize, buddy. Okay, washer dryer goes in here.
Did you want me to open that up?
Jim, it is no longer called the Tala, and it is not here. Somebody else wanted us to see, and so we went looking for it, and we actually found the representative that handles that line. It is not here. It is now going to be called the Alita, and
it's not ready.
And it's not ready.
Licensing or something.
Right. So
yes.
They didn't bring it. So you got a TV up there, and there is some storage behind it because I can see the mechanism that locks it in there. All right. So yeah, I just happened to see that comment come in.
And Nate, you're very welcome.
And so look at that. Nice toilet, definitely tall and fluffy approved there. Nice shower. Again, I would fit in. I'm wearing my backpack, so I can't crawl in. You know, Lisa, you crawl in.
All right.
She's 5'7", but you know, you can get the idea. I mean, she's not even close. So, you know,
so
I would be fine.
There you go. That's how tall it is compared to him.
All right, there you go. Hopefully that helps.
So yeah, you got a couple inches.
So you got this nice sort of L situation here with the countertop, under counter mount sink, lots of cabinetry down below,
right?
Lots of cabinetry above.
Yeah.
You're welcome, Jim. Yeah, somebody else was wanting it because it's brand new and people were wanting to see it. They debuted it at a different show a few months ago, but then due to some licensing things, they decided to change the name. There are some other things they wanted to do to it, because it's a prototype. So it wasn't, it's not quite ready for wide release. And they were intending to bring it, but because they've decided to change the name and make a couple other changes to it, they decided not to bring it. So, okay.